Thought I'd bring you guys along for a quick POV drive. Cut ourselves a wild Subi. Back with another one, you guys. It has been a minute since we've been in the Evo. Gonna pump some gas. Thought I'd bring you guys along for a quick POV drive. We are gonna be pumping some 91 today, you guys. Decided to put a little bit of 91 just to clean out the injectors, clean out the whole fuel system, because E can be a bit harsh on the system. That being said though, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This is the Evo 10 fully built motor, bigger turbo. Do not mind the missing front bumper. It's at home, it's in the garage. Let me know what you guys think. Does this look like a menacing look, or does this look pretty ghetto? I don't know. On my Evo 8 without the front bumper and my massive front intercooler, that thing looks like a beast. Now obviously, you know, those that know, if you know, you know. Like, you see this car, you're gonna know exactly what's up. A bit windy. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up on your guys' end. Do I need a receipt? I am good, thank you though. Main objective of the video, quick POV drive. We're actually going to BMW. I got to pick up some parts for the not my M4 but a buddy's M4. So I thought, you know, why not bring you guys along for the ride. Probably gonna compensate right now just because obviously, you know, I was at like a E74. We have dropped back down to like a probably gonna be like an E30 by the time I get to BMW. But this is my ethanol gauge. Don't mind the blinking check engine light or service engine. It's basically compensating for the new blend of gas. Once it catches itself, it'll basically, you know, compensate, and there we go, you know, back to our regularly scheduled program. It is a bit windy, I'm telling you guys, and I did not bring a jacket. And I truly apologize for this glare on the windshield, you guys. Yeah, turn this completely off for now, if anything. Just straight raw driving. The only downside is we're going down Van Ness. It's about 3:30 p.m. on a Friday, so traffic doesn't get any better than this. Let's see if anyone lets me through. Oh, Mercedes is coming in. We should turn you up, thank you. Caught at a red light, but we'll manage. So like I said, you guys, if you guys enjoy POV drives, you guys enjoy POV car meets or just cruises, hit that like, hit that follow, or hit that subscribe button, I would say. And welcome back, you guys. So yeah, you guys, 2013 Mitsubishi Evolution Lancer, or Lancer Evolution, technically speaking, X or 10. Hopefully I get all greens, even though I don't think I am. I'm gonna try to make that another one. Passing the Honda dealership. Wonder if they got any Type R's in there. Okay, we cut ourselves a wild Subi to our left. Very clean, very nice. Older gentleman. Change of plans, you guys. So I'm not going to BMW anymore. We're actually gonna go look at a car. But that's regardless of the point. I'm gonna do a couple pulls. I'm gonna get you guys a quick POV drive, just so we can, you know, get this actual video through to you guys to see how it runs on our, see, like we dropped down to E20 now, to see how the car actually feels and drives, so you guys get a perspective in case maybe you guys want to get a an Evo or a manual car or whatever it may be. Looks good. Looks real good. You can't beat the Subi Rumble. Legendary. got a Porsche behind us. This truck's gonna be the death of me. What do you guys think? I definitely blew some eardrums in there. Oh my god. Even on the 91, it still rips. E85 is a whole different platform though. Like, just night and day difference. The fact that we got flex fuel on this makes it ideal. Because you can take it on road trips, you can take it wherever you want, and you don't have to worry about only specifically having to worry about pumping E85. Got 846 to my left, 325i. These buses are lagging, man. take the back roads. I feel like I'm driving in a rally right now, except it's tarmac, not gravel. I'll give these guys a quick grip right here. Definitely granny shifting right there, you guys. I just saw a big stretch of open road. I was like, why not? But my shifts could have been crisper, for sure, 100%. Lazy shifting is what I would call it. Ooh, C7. Stingray? Z06? Stingray, I think. Or a Z51. Now, at least this section of the city, and there's other spots too, but they got speed cameras here, so I'm gonna keep it below 30 and not risk anything. Plus, we're almost to our destination. Ooh, Type R. Clean. Mustang. There's some nice cars out. I mean, it's Friday, like I said. I'm gonna try to get some microphones to actually install in the engine bay. I don't know if you guys have seen videos like that, but the turbo spool is insane. I believe they're the DJI external microphones. I'm gonna look into those, get those into the engine bay or even to the exhaust too, so you guys can get a better exhaust note, and hopefully, you know, we can up our level, our quality of videos, I would say. But that being said, you guys, pretty much rounding on the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely more POV videos to come. If you guys like them, do drop down in the comments. I know I've seen a couple comments saying, you know, more Evo video, more Evo content. This is me trying to convey that I'm actually listening to you guys and trying to get those videos out for you guys. Because believe me, as much as I enjoy driving this car, I enjoy that you guys enjoy these videos and this type of content. Too many stop signs for us, but like I said, we're about to pick up my homie and we're actually gonna go look at a car. So subscribe to the channel, you guys, and make sure to check out the upcoming video when we pick up another project. That's right, another project. But that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you guys, keep it authentic.